In this video, I'm going to make another project number 5. So this is basic CAD model project actually. Okay. So I suggest you, first of all, you create all views, front view, top view, right side view on your notebook. And according to that views, you should start, okay, step by step. So let's start. I'm going to start from front view. Okay. So in front, first of all, I'm going to create both circle, inside, outside circle. So just go for center circle and create a circle. What is the diameter? Just go for sketch. You can see radius is 20 mm, so diameter will be 40 mm. And inner circle, the dia is 20 mm. So you can see both circle is created. Just escape it. Next, what we have to design? So this plate we have to design. For that, some rectangle or closed profile we need to create. So go for a rectangle first. Also you can try with profile. It is tangent, so just ignore it. Go for rectangle. Okay, in rectangle use corner rectangle from this center midpoint. Okay, from this center I'm going to create a random rectangle. After then I will define dimension of this rectangle. So just go for rapid dimension, and this length values you are going to plate thickness. So you can see plate thickness is 15 mm. So just define 15. So this already value is 15 mm, so no need to change. But if you want to change your values, you can change here. Okay. So next I'm going to do symmetric. Just symmetric it. Go for make symmetric. Select both line and click on center line. Now you can see your profile is symmetric. Okay. So next another one values. You need to define center point to this boundary line distance. So there is no any perfect distance. So I am going to define any random dimension. Okay. So this value actually we need. Okay. So apply 70 mm. Okay. Just you can stretch this one because line is not fully fixed. So you can stretch. And now trim unwanted sketches. Just trim it. Okay. And finish a sketch and just extrude it. Click on sketch and change your direction if you want. Then how much? 50 mm you have to extrude it from the top view or right side view, you can see. So just apply 50 mm. You can see, just click OK. If you want to hide your sketch, you can hide, otherwise just leave it. So next I am going to do next step. I'm going to cut this chamfer. I'm going to cut this section with the help of chamfer. So click on chamfer and just first of all define your dimensions. This is not symmetric, asymmetric. Okay, because of different length values is there. So define distance 1 values 50 mm and distance to 25 mm. Okay, just click OK. Now you can see your sharp edges created. Now you can hide your sketch. Okay, so now next step, I am going to create this backside view. So for that, circle dia is given, radius is 20, so dia will be 40 and with height 32 mm. So go for back view, just go for sketch and OK. So first of all, create a circle. Okay, anywhere you can create and define dia. Dia is not for 50, sorry, 40 mm. Yes. Next you have to define some dimension. Okay, what dimension? From the bottom line to, you can see here, center to bottom line 32 mm. So you have to define that. Just a second, just refresh it and select again center point to this bottom line. Yes, so this values you have to define 32 mm. Okay, so next you have to define the circle position. For that, what you have to do, just apply tangent or zero values you can apply, no issue. Then next you are going to project this because we need these lines. Okay, so you can project this, no need to create again, and just apply fillet values whatever you want. Okay, so go for fillet and select both sketches and just randomly click anywhere and define some values. What values? Just you can see 27.29. Okay, so just define that radius values 27.29. Just define. Okay, now value is defined. So this line is trimmed, so you have to project again. So just project again that line. Okay. The next again just project it. Go for every value is okay, because we need this closed area actually. Inside circle also you can create right now, and after also you can create no issue. Just project it this two lines. Okay. Just click OK. Now just trim your unwanted sketches. What sketch you don't need? Oh, sorry. Just a bit. Just connect this with lines. Okay. You have to connect it tangentially. Okay. So this is the tangent point. Okay. No issue. This is connected. So just trim your unwanted lines. So we don't need this sketches. This sketch also we don't need. So now this is looking perfect. Closed area. Finish sketch, and now you can extrude it. How much extrude you have to do? Just go for your model sketch and define that values. You can see here value is how much, 15 mm. You can see here. So just define 15 mm extrude values. Okay. Just click, just a second, just change your boolean as a unite. Okay, with this body preview, and then click OK. Just you can hide this sketch if you want. So now your model is created. This isometric view you can see. So this is your final model. So like that guys, you can create easily. Okay.